Go.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, gonna make you cry. Close your eyes and roll your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. I forgot.
Okay. Well, we're doing a sleepover, and we're gonna eat maruchan with my friend Kimberly. No, what did I say? Kimberly. I won't forget your name. Ashley.
Again, right?
Because you seem like my friend. Her name is Kimberly because she's nice, you're nice. She's pretty, you're pretty.
I know someone named Kimberly.
You have glasses, she has glasses. You have long hair, she has long hair.
I don't have long hair.
I think it's long.
I'm gonna paint it.
What color?
Maybe blue.
No!
Or like yellow.
Yellow is okay.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't want to feel like cutting it. No, not cutting it. Because I like it like this.
What's she doing? He's gonna be naked. Stop pulling off his clothes. Well, your marucha is out of the oven, but we have to wait because it's hot. We're making this at... What?
No, tell me.
It's 120.
Yeah.
120. 120. 120. 120. Oh my. Well, guys, they're gonna say more raining tacos, and I want to board you.